Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is me. It's all about you. It's time to have your favorite meal, favorite beverage. Go to your favorite place to actually just distress, to unwind. Your favorite place to have fun. Do not forget your inner child, because that's going to be your motivation, your furnace of life that keep you going, keep your creative juices flowing, where you feel life is not about surviving. It's about enjoyment. I allow serenity to reign within me. The love I have for myself invites harmony to settle within my being. I listen to and honor and strive to fulfill the needs of my mind, body, and soul. It's about you. It's okay to be selfish today. Fill up your cup. Therefore, you will have a full pitcher to help the rest of the world. And make sure that you leave some, at least half of the pitcher, left over from when you come home, because you still need some energy for yourself. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.